Good morning to one and all present here, respected teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Zainin Giti, and today is a very memorable day for us. As being the first batch of this school to write the board exam, it was never easy. There were uncertainties, pressure, and problems, but with the guidance of our teachers and parents, we were able to overcome it all and bring a very good result. I am very happy that everyone passed and everyone was able to secure 100% first division. So the pressure was always intense, that as being the first that it will decide how our institute will be named as. So as we all have passed, I am very happy and grateful.
Like a most prestigious course of India. Central government under banker like a isi kethenai a course law. Lasi dak 40 student pen mohad jong principals are ninjelo. Lasi alagli kan ninje tank pen lalo like a nong nam chathang lo. Athe out of 57 Assam long lason others with the loy pudo lason bong pen dakta isi lo number 1 kidim.
Have secured first division. And in this, out of there are 30 students who are above 70%. So we are very happy to announce you that our top achievers of this session is the ranker. Amar jitu prothom stan prapt korise amar school.